Number 2. NZXT H6 Flow. If you're a PC builder, the NZXT H6 Flow might just be your next favorite case. It offers wraparound glass panels with a seamless edge, providing you with an unobstructed view of your prized components. These glass panels not only look great, but they also make it easy to show off that RGB lighting. Its compact dual-chamber design stands out. It keeps your build tidy and boosts thermal performance by separating hot components from cooler ones. You'll appreciate the 3 pre-installed 120mm fans that come positioned at ideal angles for superior out-of-the-box cooling. This means you won't need to buy extra fans to keep things cool. Airflow in the H6 Flow reaches another level thanks to its top and side panels with an airflow-optimized perforation pattern. Dust won't easily collect in your PC with these panels, and dust buildup won't be a recurring issue either. What you'll love most is the intuitive cable management system. Wide channels and straps make the process straightforward. No more spaghetti-like messes inside your PC. On the downside, the compact design may limit space for larger components. However, this should not be a deal breaker for most builders. In conclusion, the NZXT H6 Flow combines style with functionality, setting a high bar for mid-range cases. Give this case a closer look and see if it suits your building needs perfectly. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.